Well, alright, let's start. Hello everybody, and I hope all of you guys are having a fantastic day today. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to do this video for you. I'm very excited. So firstly, I want to thank all of you for watching another video of mine watching another video of my weekly Forex forecast. I appreciate it. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Errol Mueller. I'm a professional Forex trader and internet marketer. Firstly, what I'd like you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment on the videos. Please leave a comment. The reason I'm doing this video is to help you guys. So please watch this video. After this video, comment below the video of what you'd like me to share for you. What you'd like me to do a video on, anything. Just name it and I'll do my best to do it for you. And yeah. So secondly, oh yes, that's it. Secondly, as you guys can see, I'm sitting without the shirt. Sorry about that. Me sitting without the shirt's not going to make you any money, and believe me, it's definitely not going to make me any money. It's just very hot out here, and I don't feel like wearing a shirt. I can do what I want, I don't care. I actually don't care what you guys are looking at. I want to help you. So what I look like has got nothing to do with anybody else. Don't feel offended. I'm just mentioning it. That's it. So in this video, I want to share with you a cipher pattern setup, or actually a cipher pattern setup that completed, which I'm actually long, that I took, and I'm actually long in it at the moment. And then what I also want to do is, after I share while I'm sharing the cipher pattern with you guys, I just want to explain something of how you determine when it's a bullish trend or bearish trend, and how you go about reading a chart. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel, you will see that I shared a lot, or not a lot, I actually shared 1 or 2 videos on how to read a basic chart. Now, I didn't do too good. I actually rushed it. So what I'll do is what I'm actually going to do is I'll go over it again and just explain it and do it in such a way so that everybody understands. Okay, so bear with me and please watch this video till the end so that you can, I don't know, for all you newcomers out there, so that you can maybe learn something, and for all you Forex traders out there who knows this stuff, fine, well done. Great for you guys who know these things. I hope you're making a lot of money. I hope you are successful in what you're doing, and I wish you all the best. So I think let's get started. I just want to minimize myself here. You know what? Let's do it at 100%, so that you can. Oh no, not actually 100. Let's do it at 50%. Okay. So firstly, for those of you who know a little bit about advanced patterns, we actually, like I mentioned, now we had a bullish cipher pattern completed, and I don't know, look at the chart, take 5 seconds, look at the chart and tell me what you see. Tell me if you can actually determine, or mention it to yourself. I won't be able to hear you seeing that I'm making a YouTube video. So look at the chart, see if you can actually see the pattern for yourself without me drawing it in, just if you can see it. And there's 2 patterns. There's 2 patterns that I want to share with you guys. One which completed just before this one. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna draw it in for you. Let's leave my chart like this. Let's go. X to A leg, A to B, B to C leg, and then C to D leg completion at the 786%. Let's quickly have a look at it. Look at that, guys. See how trained my eye is, because I've been looking at thousands and thousands of charts. I eat, breathe, sleep Forex trading and marketing. It's just printed into me. I can open up any chart and immediately I'll identify patterns for you. That's just, it's what I'm doing every single day of my life. not over weekends, because over weekends I'm still open charts. I usually do back testing over weekends, but this is what I do every single day. So there you've got it, bullish alpha pattern set up. It completed, let me zoom in for you guys. It completed right here at the D leg. I got long at the 185.337 level, and round about there. I'm not saying I actually got long, but round about there. And the market pushed down. I did not hit my stop loss. Stop losses which will obviously be below the X leg, somewhere about here. And look what happened. I got long, the market came down, we did not get a new structure low, we did not break the previous swing low here, although we did break the B leg, but we did not break the X leg. Now the rules for the cipher pattern is, for this to be a valid cipher pattern, your D leg cannot break your X leg, cannot go past your X leg, because that invalidates the pattern. So yeah, that was it. For those of you who don't know, looking at targets, we are looking at a 382 for target 1 and a 618% Fibonacci retracement for targets 2. Now what you want to do is, a lot of people will ask me, why did I get long at the D leg, at the 185.33 or 3, yeah, at the D leg completion, but I'm actually drawing my Fibonacci all the way down for the complete leg of the move. Like I mentioned before, these are all things that I've back tested for more than a year now. I've been trading, and these are all things that I've back tested. This is my trade plan. What you want to do is you want to draw your Fibonacci in for the complete leg of the move, C to D leg, the complete move of the leg. And then I know you're going to ask this. What's going to happen is, if we got long here, then let me draw it for you. Then my initial target 1 would have been here at the 382%, and then target 2s would have been at the 618%. Now, if I take my Fibonacci and I move it all the way down, then obviously what you're going to do is you're going to move your take profits with it. It's things that I've back tested that I know works. If you do leave, reason I'm telling you this, believe me, I've done this, I'm sharing it with you, I want you to do this. If you leave it there, you're going to experience, I'm not saying you're going to lose a lot of trades, but you're not going to be profitable at the end of the time, at the end of your trading year or whatever it is. So look, that's what I'm saying, that's what I've back tested. I know it works, believe me, I know it works. So that was it for the pair. Was, for those of you that didn't see when I started this pair, it's GBP-JPY. You can see it on the right hand side here, and you can see it here, GBP-JPY, and it's on a 4-hour chart. For those of you who don't know, I just want to have a look at something quickly. I think we're very close to hitting target 1s, and then what happens then is stops will obviously roll to break even, where we got long at the D leg. So stops which are below the X leg will move all the way up just below the D, right where we got long, and that will give us a break even. So if the market does decide to do this, move up into a 382%, stops roll to break even. If it manages to put in a retracement and it hits our stop loss, well, it's fine. We're out of the trade for break even. We don't make anything, we don't lose money. So not a problem. I'm happy with that. But if the market does decide to, to rally all the way, let's say to a 50% retracement, from here to 50%, from there put in a retracement, and it stops just above where we entered and then decides to continue in trend, we will manage to hit target 1 and 2, which will give us a nice profit. Okay, so that was it. And then I also promised you guys that I will share with you how do you know if a market's in a bullish trend or a bearish trend. Okay, let's do it this way. I know there's a lot of mechanical traders out there. A lot of you use currency slope strength, you know, divergences, and you know, stochastic oscillators, things like that, to determine when a market's in trend and things like that. Now what I do is I do basic technical analysis. I look at the chart, I start drawing in my lines, and I determine by reading the structure, you know, reading the chart, is the market in a bullish direction or in a bullish movement, or is it in a bearish movement? So at the moment, while I'm looking at this chart, this is a bullish momentum market. Reason for this is, let's quickly start. For those of you who don't know, watch my previous video, I explained this. You've got an initial low. Now, a lot of you will also ask me, where do you determine where to start your initial low? What I usually do is I'll scrunch up my chart, or I'll look at my screen, what I've got on my screen, which is this. Which is this here. Now, my initial low, the lowest low that I can see on my screen is here, right here. Let me draw it in for you. Right at this level. That's the initial low. And then from there on, I'll start drawing in my lines. So let's quickly start. We've got our initial low, managed to go into a bullish direction, and then we got a retracement, which is a lower high, which is a higher low. Now, reason for that is this low here is higher than the initial low. That's why we call it a higher low. So if I had to draw it in for you, or if I had to type it in for you, let's quickly do this. HL, which is higher low. There you go. I also want to type in for you IL, which is the initial low, where I start to draw in my lines. And then the market, so what happened is we got an initial low, we got a higher low. The market decided, okay, we're going into trend, and we're going into a bullish trend. So the market then put in a new structure high, which I will also add for you. NSH, new structure high. We got a retracement. Where did we pull back to? Previous structure resistance now becomes support, and this will be a higher low. Why do we call it higher low? Because this low here is higher than this previous low here, and the market continued moving in trend. Yeah, and the market's moving, continuing its trend continuation. Sorry about that. The market's continuing its trend continuation. We managed to put in a new structure high, NSH. Market retraced again, giving us a new, giving us a higher low, because this low is higher than this low. What happened was, we put in a new structure high. Where did we pull back to? Previous structure resistance now becomes support. The market did not turn exactly at the previous structure resistance, at previous structure. The market managed to push through that, not by far, and look at what happened. We put in a new structure high. Now, this works over and over and over again. I don't know how many of you guys are actually, how can I say it? I don't know how many guys of you are trend continuation traders, but for those of you who are trend traders, this would have been an ideal opportunity for you to get long and make a lot of pips. So that's basically it. And then from this, the market moved upwards. We managed to get a new structure high, and then the market decided to put in a new structure low. Why? Oh, not a new structure low. The market managed to put in our outside return, or as I'll call it, a retracement. We did not break our previous higher low, so we don't have a new structure high yet. At the moment, we're waiting to see what the market's going to do. For those of you who are trend continuation traders, and then for those of you who are advanced pattern traders, there's the siphon pattern that I just shared with you guys a few minutes earlier, or not actually, around about here, and there was a siphon pattern setup. So there's multiple ways of looking at a chart, you know, trading a chart. Depends on what style of trader you are. Do you like advanced patterns? Are you a trend trader? Are you basically a structure based trader? Or, you know, depends what you like. So that was this. Now this is what you call a bullish trend. And how do you determine that? You determine that if you look at this, the market kept putting in new structure highs, new structure high, new structure after new structure high. We had an initial low, higher high, then a higher low, because this low was higher than this low. Then we broke previous structure here, which gave us a new structure high, then a higher low, because this low is higher than this low. Managed to put in a new structure high. Now this must tell you automatically, when you look at charts, this must tell you that we're in a bullish trend, we're in a bullish direction. Okay, and then a nice thing is this cipher pattern setup here is going along with the overall trend, which is in a bullish direction. So this adds to this actually adds to the pattern, you know, the value of the pattern, the strength of the pattern, which is good, which is very good. Okay, let me delete all those lines. I quickly want to do a bearish trend for you to show you what a bearish chart will look like. Quickly delete all this. For those of you who don't know, I'm busy designing my website. I'm putting together a course, a forex trading course and an internet marketing course, all of it to show you what I've been doing, what I've used in my trading career, what I've done. So I'm still busy with it, so bear with me, don't overwhelm me with emails, things like that. I'm still busy with it, just give it some time. But like I said, that's why I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment below my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the day I release my website, the day I release all of it, I will do a video on it. I will explain, I will show you, I will actually go into it and show you guys what you can expect, what's in this for you, what can you learn out of it, so that you can be on the early bird list, and you can, as soon as I release the video, you can go out there, have a look at it. For those of you who decide to actually take up the course, you know, you can go out there and start trading. Okay. And now see, this is how good my eye is. Also, you remember I said at the beginning of the video that I want to share with you, there's actually two patterns on this chart. The one, which was the one that I just showed you now, the cipher pattern, that not completed, I got long on it, and then before this one there was another cipher pattern setup. So if I had to draw it in for you, another one just before this one, and this one immediately rolled over to targets 1 and 2. Let's do this quickly. X to A, A to B, B to C, C to D leg, completing right there. Look there. If I had to zoom in for you, look there. 786%. Look there. The market hit my entry point, managed to push through a little bit. The candle actually spiked, and then the market sucked it right back up, and we managed to target 1 and 2s. Painless trade. Awesome trade. Okay, so as promised, I will show you a market in a bearish direction. Let's use, what can I use here? What can I use? Now, even if I had to use this, it's not a, let's see if I can find something better for all of you. Look at this, bullish direction. This whole move here, bullish, bullish, bullish. Here's a small bearish movement. So, if this was my chart, before we had any further candles, any future candles. If this was my chart, this is what I saw. This would show us we had a bearish direction, we had a bearish trend, as well as a bullish trend. So let me quickly draw it for you guys. What I said previously, you want to determine your initial low or your initial high, which is the highest point of what you can see, or the lowest point of what you can see. Well, that's how I do it. So we've got our initial high, which is right there. Then we managed to put in a low. Then we got a retracement, which is now this we call a lower high. Why do we call it a lower high? LH. This is our initial high. Why do we call it LH? Because initial high, managed to get a retracement, lower high. Why? Because this high here, this retracement that we got here, this high is lower than our initial high. That's why we call it a lower high. So manage after market, put in a new structure low. Text, sorry about that. NSH stands for new structure low. Then we got a small spike. Where do we pull back to? We did not quite make it, but previous structure support now becomes resistance. We did not quite make it, but it's fine, just showing you how market reacts, how powerful structure is. And advanced patterns are all based around structure, which is pretty cool. Then we managed to put in a new structure low. Oh, sorry about this. I'm putting in NSH. It's NSL. Sorry guys, it's new structure low. So let me go over this again. Initial high, lower high, because this high is lower than this high. Then we put in a new structure low, because this low broke the previous structure low. Okay, that's why we got a new structure low. And then we managed to put in an outside return or retracement, as I call it, which is another lower high. This high is lower than this high, and we put in a new structure low, NSL. So from there on, the market went into a little bit of a sideways movement. We were actually in consolidation, and the market decided, which will also be a lower high, and the market decided to put in a new structure low. So that was it for the bearish, reading a chart which is in a bearish direction. For those of you who are trend traders, this was a bearish trend, and you could have made you could have made a lot of pips out of this. For those of you who are trend continuation traders, now I will, like I said, I am busy with the training series. It will be a lot better than my YouTube videos, that I can promise you. All these videos has no editing at all. Listen to what I'm saying. This is real. I'm making mistakes, and this is what I want. I want you to look at me, to see that I'm a real person. I'm not these fancy, one of these marketers out there, or one of these gurus who shows you all of these things, and it's a lot of editings and things like that. I want to show you. This video is me. This is me. No editings, nothing. And that's what I want. I make mistakes. It's fun. I don't care. That's who I am. Everybody makes mistakes, and that's it. What I do is I don't make mistakes showing you what I'm trading. The patterns and things like that. My words are kind of stumbling. English is actually my second language. My home language is Afrikaans, for those of you who don't know. For those of you who live in South Africa, my home language is Afrikaans. But that's it. English is my second language, and I want to do my best that I can to help you. Like I said, I need your comments below this video in order for me to share, to create videos that helps you, okay, to get you on the path of achieving success, you know, making money, doing something with your life. Okay, so we had a bearish movement, and then immediately after that, market decided to put in a new bullish trend, which looks like this, which will be your, this will be your new structure low, NSL for new structure low. And for those of you who, if this was what you saw previously, then this will be your initial high and your new structure low. Now, if this was what you saw on your chart, on your screen, then this NSL would fall away, and this here would become your initial low, because this is where you start. This is where you're gonna draw in all your lines to determine is the market in a bearish direction or in a bullish direction. Now from there on, we were in a bearish direction, and now we moved right into a bullish direction, and it looked something like this: initial low, higher high, outside return, which is a higher low. Why? Because this low is higher than this low here, and we managed to move up. If I had to draw it in like this, you know, break it down into smaller sections for you guys. It looks something like this, all the way back, and then you can do this all day long. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all. That's bearish. That's a bearish direction right here. That's a bearish movement. This is a bullish movement, and that's how you determine it. Drawing the lines. Let me increase my size here so that you can see me properly. Okay, that was it, guys. My challenge to you is take a couple of charts tonight or tomorrow. I don't know what time you're going to see this videos, where you are within the world. Open up a couple of pairs and a couple of charts, just drawing the lines. That's all you do, drawing lines, reading, learn how to read the markets, the language of the market, you know, just drawing lines. And then go over my video, look at what I did, you know, initial highs, lower highs, things like that. Just go through my video, look at what I did, and implement that. That's my challenge to you. For those of you who want to do it, by all means, good. That's good. I'm asking you to do it. Believe me, it will help you, especially if you are new to Forex trading and your eyes are not trained, your brain's not trained to pick up patterns, to pick up if the market's in a bullish direction, in a bearish direction. Listen to what I'm saying. Take the charts, look at the charts, drawing the lines. It will help you a lot. Take every single night, just 5 minutes, it's nothing. With every single night, you can do it during the day, whenever. Take a chart, open up the chart, drawing the lines. Train your eye to determine if the market's in a bullish direction, in a bearish direction. You know, just train your eye. Believe me, listen to what I'm saying. I've been through all this, I've done all this. It works, it really does work. So that's my challenge to you. And now let me move this cursor. I made a few mistakes in my previous videos of leaving the cursor on my face or in the video, and that's not nice. So that's my challenge to you. And please like my video, comment below this video. I want you guys' comments. I want to know what I should share with you, what you want to know. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm busy putting a program together. I'm busy with my website, all of it. I want to help you. That's my vision in life. I on help you guys be successful. Now, why do I want you to be successful? The more I grew up like this, and this is what I've learned, the more I give, the more I receive. So that's a golden nugget. Listen to what I just said. The more I give, the more I receive. And look at me there. I'm looking right into this camera, looking right at you. The more I give, the more I receive. That's something you guys must keep in mind. Okay, I'm not saying believe me. For those of you who want to believe me, good. Believe me, your business will explode. You know, whatever you're doing. If you're just doing this part-time, or if you're just starting out doing forex trading or internet marketing, or if you just like what I'm sharing, implement this. This will change the way you think. It will change the way you do things. It's difficult to explain what it actually does, believe me. And then, yeah, that's it. Like I said, subscribe to my channel. As soon as I share the video, you guys will, yes, excuse me, I'm listening to something in the background. But in any case, subscribe to my YouTube channel as soon as I release my video, when my website's up, so that you can be the first one to have a look at my website and see if it's actually worth doing what I'm doing. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching for watching another video of my weekly forex forecast. I will be doing this every single week. So that's it, guys. Good luck, good trading, and once again, thank you for watching my video.